Hello everyone, welcome to BHF World.
Let's start. What am I going to do in this video? Linux is powerful weapon. Why Linux is powerful weapon? Let's see. What is Linux? Why powerful weapon? That conclusion. Okay guys, let I tell what is Linux. You want to need powerful gun in the world? You choose 50 caliber rifle. You want to be a hacker? You choose Linux because Linux is most powerful weapon for hackers. Hackers community use Linux OS. Why hackers use Linux? First thing, Linux is open source, freely available. That source code also. An operating system is the software that directly manages a system hardware and resources like CPU, memory, and storage. The OS sits between application and hardware and makes the connection between all of your software and the physical resources that do the work. Linux is developed in 17 September 1991 using programming languages C assembly language. Linux was developed to similar to Unix, but they evolved to run on a wide variety of hardware from phones to supercomputer. Linux OS based on Linux kernel. Okay, you want to know Linux kernel? Let I tell. First, memory management. Second, process management. Third, device drives. Fourth, system calls and security. The core interface between a computer's hardware and its process. Terminals, command line. Command line direct access to be computer Linux terminal is the powerful terminal on the compared to other operating system. Command prompt also. Softwares. Linux is open source, so that software also open source. Free software foundation. Okay guys, let I tell main few things. First, user/bin administrative command. Second, user/share default configuration files, images, documentation. Third, user screen contains the source code for the Linux kernel. Fourth, /var system files such as logs, mail, directions, print also. Fine. Why Linux is powerful weapon? I tell 5 reasons. First, open source. It's easily available on the internet and the application that's run on it are free of cost. Hackers needs not to spend time and money to buy license for Linux. Most of the software comes with general public license. Second, maintenance. Linux is used for high performance application on server maintaining. Linux is very easy because it has their own software repository. Third, terminal. Linux terminal was graphical and powerful script bases. Fourth, easy to access network. Boot system of the Linux is very fast as compared to other operating system. It will work as an open source because it is contributed by the team and internet network, and it very easy to manage the network over it. There are many libraries and commands provided by Linux that can be used to test network. Finally, fifth, security and transparency. Linux is typically more secure as compared to other operating systems. Hackers need the more secure system to perform their hacks. So most of the hackers whereby the Linux for the hacking. Windows are more popular between average users and also among the programs because it is more profitable to write the program in Windows. So Linux is more secure than Windows. You must need to have knowledge of OS which you are going to hack. So for this you need a system without any loopholes. Linux is completely transparent. You can easily manipulate and watch the working of Linux. Fine. Conclusion. Linux is powerful weapon for hackers. Normal user using Linux distribution. Linux Mint, Manjaro, Debian, Ubuntu, Undercourse, Solus, Fedora, Elementary OS, OpenSUSE. Hacking OS for Linux. Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Blackhawk, Backbox. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.
Okay, guys, you want to follow on BHF, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you want to read blog blackhatfriends.blogspot.com. Fine, good luck.